It's time to feel limitless. How does it feel when I allow myself to feel limitless? Is it like owning my truth? Because the truth is, the reality is, I can be and have and do anything I want. I am naturally limitless. I am naturally connected to and have access to limitless. Limitless joy, limitless happiness, limitless abundance, limitless everything, limitless energy, limitless vitality. I'm just tapping into that limitless me. So, if you're open to it, tap with me. EFT tapping, positive EFT tapping this is. And if not, you can stay right here and alternate your tapping from side to side, or just listen. Tapping on the side of the hand, or you can do this. I choose to feel limitless. There may be times when I don't own this truth that I have, this power that I have. Well, I choose to feel limitless now. I choose to feel limitless now. And from now on, from this point forward, I choose to own that true nature of me being limitless. Who am I in this limitless energy and vitality and joy and peace? Tapping on the eyebrow point. I am naturally limitless. It's in my nature to be limitless. Everything is limitless. Everything is energy, and energy is limitless. Everywhere I go, I see abundance all around me. An abundance of trees, energy, beauty. How does it feel when I allow myself to feel limitless? What does limitless feel like to me? It feels like anything is possible. It feels like trust. It feels like faith. It feels like being guided. It feels like you're not even thinking about it. Everything's just working out for you. You're feeling limitless. Limitless is limitless. The possibilities for you is limitless. There's always something wonderful on its way to you. What if I woke up every morning and thought something wonderful is on its way to me, and it could show up today? If I'm so limitless, what is the universe going to show me next, I wonder? Limitless. Free. Fearless. I am. I am limitless. I am free. Feeling limitless is feeling free. Feeling faith. I am full of faith. I am full of pure joy, pure source energy. What word of my choosing? The universe energy. Why am I so limitless? Why is it so easy for me to see myself as limitless? It's my nature. By nature, I am limitless. By nature, I am free. I am free to make choices that feel good to me. I am free to make choices that I want. I'm free to say no when I want to say no. I'm switching sides now. I am free to do what I love. I'm free to move forward in life with faith and purpose. I am free to choose the things I love to do. I have access to limitless peace, joy, love, fun. I am free to go and have fun. I am free to do what I please. I'm free to know what is my joy. What is it that I enjoy doing? What is it that I want to do in my limitless nature? This power I have access to. Limitless. I choose to feel limitless. I choose to have fun. I choose to be myself. I choose to receive. I'm now receiving all that I choose, all that I wish for, all that I desire. How much more limitless can I feel? How much more limitless can I feel? What does limitless feel like to me? How much more limitless can I feel? How much more limitless can I feel now and in the minutes, hours, and days ahead? Fearless and free. Stay right here. So what does limitless feel like? Really, truly, to you, what does it feel like? Think of the words that it would feel like. You can do anything you want. You can go wherever you want. You can fearlessly make choices. You can move forward in your life. You can make changes. You can boldly go where you haven't gone before. You have limitless access to all the answers. You can go within and hear the answers. You can hang out in nature and the answers come to you with effortless ease. When you're feeling limitless, things come to you without even trying. You just know you're limitless and you keep this frame of mind. I hope this helped you feel limitless and free to move forward with faith and purpose and achieving anything you want in life, or just feeling good. You deserve to feel good, happy, free, all day, every day. If you like this video, please support me and like it and subscribe. Have a great day.